What's happening, party people? I am still in Texas. I will be leaving here tomorrow, headed to Cincinnati. In today's video, I was in Chicago area helping Howard with a few things on the 850. Other than that, if you don't know, I'm doing I guess, fundraiser for myself, trying to get a business quality t-shirt printer. So if you want to get involved in helping me get that, there's links to that in the description area below. Hope you guys are having a great weekend. Thanks for watching. Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I encounter throughout the day. If for some reason I complete a task and you would like to see the details, you could click on the link in the description area below. This video also contains tips and tricks that I learned throughout the years. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. Thank you very much for watching. Kicking off the tinker portion of this day with Howard. Coolant was a little bit low. We think he may have a battery charging issue or an ignition switch is bad because this thing is flickering interior lights, mostly in cold weather. Not sure what that's all about. Couldn't open his door from the inside, so we're putting these grommets in on the door latch there and getting that set up. He's got speaker issues. This door speaker is blown, so we're going to get new door speakers from Swedish car parts. I'm gonna get a set of those too so you guys can know how those work. And his ignition switch was stopping him from shifting out of park. His trunk was getting wet because one of the drains were clogged. So we're moving right along. So let me finish putting this door together and get on the next thing. Man, that little metal thing fell down in the door under that white trim under there. That was hard fishing out the magnet. But we got it 30 minutes later. Tried to replace the ignition switch. It's the wrong one. The one that goes in these 95 cars are black. This one, of course, is gray. It has an extra pin in it. It's 15A, so it won't even plug in. I did replace this dimmer. These are kind of hard to replace, but you got to slide them out of the area here after you slide this one out. So you massage this one out, then massage this one out, and it does work, so we're good to go. I think that's it. Close this thing up and tell Howard we're good to go. Put that light thing up there. Time to run from here with Howard. We fixed the door so it opens from the inside. With these little bushing things here, we had to fish this thing out there. We tried to replace the ignition switch, we couldn't. Had the wrong switch. We replaced the dimmer here, put this door panel on. We adjusted the trunk so that it didn't sit so high on this side over here. It was sitting real high. We unclogged this drain. This drain was clogged, causing it to get water inside the system there, inside the trunk. We made sure the coolant was good, and I think that's about it. I got to go. Time to run, Howard. Look like he needs some screws for the top of his cover there. Let me see if I got those for him. Those things are just missing. All of the screws missing from the top of his timing belt cover area. Here with one of my viewers somewhere on the edge of Illinois and Wisconsin, checking out of this 70. He said he sprung a coolant leak, had to leave it here a day or two ago. That's it. We got several things done on that 850. It was a short day, Sunday. I made a stop, helped this guy get his car off the side of the road. Turns out that thing has a blown head gasket. He's got to decide what he's going to do about that. I recommended that he bailed because that thing has a lot of rust. But hey, if you want to keep that thing going, just need to get the parts, get that cylinder head redone. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. Give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I appreciate you watching.